guys, welcome back to my channel. Remember, just hit subscribe to tune into more of my videos. So today I wanted to show you how I achieve the smudged eyeliner effect. Again, really hot for 2018, kind of the must-have if you're going out of an evening. This is something new for me this year, and 2018 is definitely about stepping outside of my norm and trying different things, products, and generally just trying to find things that work for me. So I wanted to try the eyeliner. As I said before, I don't normally wear eyeliner, but you know what? It's always good to try new things. So I have actually done my eyeshadow of how I would want it. Eyeliner tends to be the thing that I would always put on at the very end once I've done. And today I'm going to be working with, it's a Maybelline eyeliner, like so. This, I love it. I love the fact that it's pink, first of all. It's really girly. It kind of screams to me that this is a strong, independent woman kind of liner. And the other thing I would say is brilliant on price. So price, this was about £1.99. So it's literally, everybody can afford it. It's a must-have that you could keep in your kit. Don't have to spend a fortune. It's very small. It's called the Maybelline New York Master Precise Skinny Eyeliner. So perfect to stick in. And it's got kind of like a twist that you can twist up the eyeliner. So it's all about kind of smudging this year, not having that harsh line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop it on, and then I've got my little eyeliner brush, which I'm just going to kind of work it in. And I've seen this on many of the celebs. Kylie Jenner is a huge fan of this, and also Khloe Kardashian as well. I've seen wear this quite a lot. So we're just going to pop it on, and I'm just going to pop it on to my eye line, and then I'm going to take my brush. So at the moment that would be like your perfect eyeliner, but actually this year it's all about smudging it slightly. So all I'm going to do is just take my brush and just supporting my eye a little bit, and then I'm just going to bring it across just slightly. So it doesn't have to come too far out. I'm just going to bring it out a little bit. As I said, I've seen this quite a lot on like the Kardashians and your Kylie Jenner, who is a fan of the eyeliner. She wears quite a lot on her eyes, and she again screams to me like strong, independent woman who's ready to kind of achieve all of her goals. And I'm just going to pop this on the other side. So it's really easy to wear, and I love this eyeliner because it is called the skinny eyeliner. It's got a really thin tip on the end of it, so it makes it easier to apply. So one of my pet hates with eyeliner is you put it on and then you've got this really thick, horrible line across the eye, making it really hard to do anything with. And if you make a mistake, it's like, oh, you kind of got to take all your makeup off and start again, which is why I've always avoided it. But I actually love this season's smudge, and I just bring it out, and I'm just using my brush to simply bring it out. It's lovely, and it doesn't smudge so much that you feel like you've got makeup absolutely everywhere, but you can see it kind of just defines my eye. So if I'm going from work and I'm going out that evening, I can literally just stick that in my makeup bag, pop it on, smudge it out with your eyeliner brush, or even if you had like another brush you could use is like a rounded tip of your, like an eyeshadow brush, you could use that too. Whatever works for you, whatever you've got in your kits, with you that day, your makeup kit. And I'm just going to bring it just underneath. But I quite like that whole sort of flicky out effect. And I've seen this quite a lot on as I said, on the celebs over the last couple of weeks coming into 2018. So your pink soft eyes, your smudged eyeliner. I love it. So why not give it a go? As I said, I'll just hold that up for you. It's the Maybelline Precise Skinny eyeliner. As I said, it's like £1.99. Really easy to use. Love it. It looks great. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing my video. If you want to just hit subscribe to tune into some of my other videos that are coming up, then why not? You can comment below. I always love to hear your feedback. So I'll see you soon.